Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Ledgy Equity Management Review My Usage Experience. Ledgy Equity Management Review My Usage Experience offers a platform for managing equity in a company. It's aimed at startups and businesses needing to track and manage their cap table, employee stock options, and other equity-related information. Key features likely include cap table management, option grant management, and reporting capabilities. Their website provides details on specific functionalities. Ledgy positions itself as a user-friendly and efficient solution for equity management, offering transparency and simplifying a complex process. They emphasize ease of use and streamlined workflows. Their website highlights the absence of hidden fees and potentially offers various pricing tiers based on company size and needs. Availability is likely subscription-based, and details can be found on their website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Ledgy Equity Management Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was surprisingly smooth. The onboarding process was well-guided, and I was able to input my existing cap table data fairly quickly using their import function. Navigating the interface was intuitive, the dashboard provided a clear overview of key metrics, and I easily accessed individual shareholder information and option grant details. I particularly appreciated the reporting features. Generating reports on equity dilution and option exercises was straightforward. The performance was consistently reliable, and the platform responded quickly to my actions. I had a quick question about a specific report format, and their support responded within 24 hours via email. I was really impressed by how visually clear and easy to understand the dashboard was. The standout feature for me was definitely the automated reminders for option vesting schedules. One minor drawback was the initial learning curve associated with some of the more advanced features, like configuring custom reports. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Ledgy. It significantly simplified our equity management process and provided the insights we needed to make informed decisions. That's my overview of Ledgy Equity Management Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.